So you've got your account set up, and now you need to know how to navigate the dashboard. MaxBounty is fairly user-friendly, and it's not too difficult to figure out once you know what is where. At the very top of the dashboard here, you'll see our sliders section. This typically highlights campaigns that we want you to see for one reason or another, whether they're hot campaigns, trending campaigns, they're timely, so maybe they're holiday-related offers. For one reason or another, we want you to look at these campaigns, we want you to check them out, so you can find those at the very top. The second section down is just a basic stats area. You'll see your name, your email address, as well as your affiliate ID number, and then a breakdown of your earnings. So your earnings from today, yesterday, this month, as well as your best month, and then a comparison graph of this week to last week's earnings. The next section down just breaks down our campaigns in a variety of ways. The main tab just shows new campaigns. The longer you scroll, the more new campaigns will be populated. The next section is top campaigns. This is a question that affiliate managers are asked a lot, but if you're looking for campaigns that are earning the most on the network right now, you can find that in the top campaigns tab. The next tab over is trending campaigns. These campaigns aren't necessarily our top earners, but they've shown a lot of potential in recent time, so they may be on the climb. Check this tab out if you're looking for hot offers. The fourth tab here is MaxBounty Picks. Similar to our sliders section at the top, this tab shows campaigns that we're trying to identify as potentially good campaigns for you to try, so you can check that out if you're looking for another idea. Recently viewed campaigns. Sometimes you'll be searching for campaigns, you'll look at a large list of them and you'll say, 5 minutes ago I saw a campaign that was great, I don't remember the name of it, and now I can't find it. This tab will show you all the campaigns that you've looked at recently. And then finally, bookmarked. As you're searching through campaigns, if there's a campaign you want to come back to later, bookmarked works in a similar way. You can bookmark a campaign and then they'll all show up until you unbookmark them in this tab. View mode gives you different options of how you can view the campaigns. You can either view them the way that we are right now in grid view, or we can switch to list view. This shows a little bit more information than the other view, but it's also not as graphically appealing. So use whatever view you find better. The section over on the right shows affiliate news and updates. This is a really important section to keep an eye on. In addition to receiving an email if one of the campaigns that you're promoting gets canceled or something with it changes, that'll also show up here in the affiliate news and updates section. Now in my case, I'm using a widescreen monitor. The resolution allows this bar to show up. If you're on a slightly smaller screen like a laptop or something like that, a tablet maybe, you may not see this section on the right. What you should do is scroll to the bottom of the page and it will show up at the very bottom, sort of in a horizontal version. Now, if you're on the new campaign or the top campaigns tab and you keep scrolling, more campaigns will show up, so you'll never get to that section. Make sure that you're on one of the tabs like bookmarked or recently viewed. That'll have a limited number of campaigns, and then you'll see the affiliate news and updates section at the very bottom of your screen. The next thing that I want to show is just the quick search and advanced search section. So at the very top here is an easy way to quickly bring up a campaign. Let's say you're looking for a campaign and you know it's called booking. You can quickly search booking, hit enter, and any campaign that matches the search will instantly appear. There's also search options that you can use as well once you're brought to this page. And this page can also be found by clicking on Search Campaigns on the very left-hand side. The final thing that I want to show, just as a brief sort of tour of MaxBounty, is our news and blog page. So if you go down here to news, this will also show really relevant information that we've decided to publish about that week. So right now we have Bitcoin campaigns that are doing really well. Check out these articles when you get a chance. It might give you some insight into something that you haven't considered before. That's it for the basic walkthrough. The next videos will cover things like running campaigns, advanced tracking, as well as reporting. Thanks for watching, guys.